fluffies. It's kind of chilly this morning. There's cat treats. Cat treats. Yeah, right there. Dry food dish was retrieved. Water just emptied. I rinsed it out, refilled it. Fluffy drank as I did. Refill it, and a couple handfuls of dry food into the dry food dish. Chewable treatment's been eaten, and she's finishing up the cat treats. Then she'll head over for breakfast. And we have My Peacock on the golden tree over at Whispering Hills Ranch. It's My Peacock because it was the first one that approached me when we first started going over occasionally to look at and feed the peacocks. Came up to me and took food right out of my hand. And he's over there.
Whoops. Okay, that one left and the other one's still there. Okay. This is over in the cluster of redwood trees west of Poppy Lane.
Flying.
The other red-tailed hawk flew.
It's overhead here.
And this one stayed perched in the tree. Stayed perched in the tree.
Okay, red-tailed hawk flew from the redwoods trees.
A twig.
At a twig. It's nest building time. At the back area of Alviso Adobe Park, we have a white-crowned sparrow that's come down for some of the bird food that's down there. We have a song sparrow singing nearby. That's a golden crown that just landed over here. Come on, little song sparrow buddy. There you are. He's the stripy looking one. Yeah. Enjoy. He's helping himself. White crown's going for the dried mealworms and the peanut halves and peanut pieces. Okay, my song sparrow buddy left. California towhee is making its way over. Yeah, it is. Right there. Come on. Come on down. I found a peanut. the backside of my peacock on the golden tree. Beautiful long tail feathers. RedTailed Hawk, probably back at Fluffy's. She was patiently waiting for our return. Chase put down cat treats. Since we didn't see Collie, he has wet food and the rest of the dry food to put down over in Fluffy's area. They're all gone, huh? That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yes, here's a good girl. Okay, let's go check out what more food you have. But first she has to get some attention from Jay. Yep. And she's going for the dry food. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and now over to back to the wet.